I'm Ryan Mass with Bloem. This year, more than ever, we're excited to introduce several new items, and it comes out of an acquisition that we had just this past year, and so our new SKU count is somewhere in the neighborhood of 500 new SKUs. A couple of the highlights are what's right next to me, actually, the Freesia display. The Freesia planner has an etched design, which is unique, it's original, and it's been selling incredibly well in the stores where it's been placed. It's 100% UV stable, it'll hold up for many, many years. Everything is made in the United States. We're proud of that in our own factory down in Apopka, Florida. The next item is actually a great new watering can that came out of this Fiskars acquisition. This is one of my favorite items because of this sturdy handle. It's an actuating handle, and once it's full, you can actually hold it sturdy and tip it right on down and water your plants easily. This item's been on the market for several years, and it's always been a great seller. We hope to keep that trend continuing. We know at the price point, it's right where it needs to be. The Bloem Bagz was an exciting new introduction for us last year. It's performed incredibly well. We're excited to reintroduce it with some new products this year. We're especially excited about the tomato planter. It comes with its own staking kit, and you can grow some massive tomatoes in there and not have to worry about the tomato cage falling over because it's really sturdy. And we feel that that's going to be a great selling item this year. We're excited to see it roll out in the coming months.